Hi guys, this is Patrulekha and Gaurav, the stars of Love Games. Yes, the movie which is going to release this week. And we've got your questions and we've got our own little games which we're going to play with them. So, we're going to start this. Start with what happened? How did you choose Love Games? What happened after City Lights?
After City Lights, I didn't get too many offers. So I went to WhatsApp and I said that I don't have work, help me out. And then at that point, they were casting for Love Games and WhatsApp sent me to Vikram sir. They're on Love Games fell on my lap.
That's very nice. What about you? You've been a successful model. And from there, making your debut with this very different film, for lack of a better word.
Why is it different?
I mean, we don't have movies on swingers, man. That's never happened before. But yeah.
So, I was modeling, like you said. I've been modeling for a long time. But while I was modeling, I was preparing as an actor as well. And I was meeting a lot of people, though in fact, I met Vishesh Films for another film.
Okay.
But unfortunately or fortunately, that didn't work. And then they called me again for this, and within 5 minutes, they signed me for this. That's so yeah.
That's very cool. Okay, and the movie, I don't think we've had, like I said before, a movie on swingers and, games on sex, and sex games and love games, whatever. So, how was it like a cultural shock? Was it any?
Well, when he was when he was narrating it to me, obviously that's the space that I never got introduced to before earlier in my life. I didn't even know it kind of existed. But I was very fascinated, and then I really asked him like this happens, and he was like, yeah. And then we spoke about it back and forth. But when he narrated me the script only, I knew I was doing it.
Okay, that's nice. What about you?
Obviously it was like a shock to me. But then while we were rehearsing for our characters, and I realized how much, and it's just going on and on. It's everywhere. It's not just in metros or cities like. There are like clubs on Facebook. It's Mumbai Swingers Club.
Oh, okay. This is brand new information. So anybody who needs information about these things.
So you have these clubs all over. Yeah, you can actually. Yeah. And places like Surat is the #1 city when it comes to swinging. So which isn't bad.
People knowing what you guys up to.
Good, going Gujarat. But okay, so that's right.
So they're not just business minded.
I don't have words to say anymore.
Okay, we have a question, not a question, more like comments and stuff. Aziz says Patrulekha is looking really hot and the guy is super cool. I really like him.
Thank you so much, Aziz. Thank you so much.
Okay, and now tell us about your characters because you're playing an out and out negative while you have shades of grey. So elaborate.
So my character is of this unapologetic young widow who is a swinger who swings, who plays games with this hot boy here, and we go out to parties. We look at young married people, and she loves cocaine. She loves winning, and she doesn't care.
Who doesn't? Okay, what about you?
When actually they were narrating the film, the best part was the character. That actually hooked me onto it.
Okay.
So this guy, I'm playing Sameer Saxena. So he's a rich, spoiled brat. He's into.
Sound na Saxena. The
Sameer Saxena.
Name
maybe surname maybe.
Perfect.
Ramona Saxena. Okay.
So he is into. He's a super rich, spoiled brat. He has too much of everything: money, drugs, sex. Whenever. There's no struggle in his life. He's had whatever he wants. But he's so numb from within, like in the age of social media where we have 3,000, 4,000 friends on Facebook.
Right.
But when he actually needs someone, there's no one there.
That's true.
So that happens with him. Every evening he gets so lonely that he'll call his friends, come, let's meet, but no one's there. So he starts cutting himself. Just to feel the pain. And while I was actually I was actually studying it, I realized there are so many people all across the country who do the self-harm.
Yeah.
So, then how he falls in love and
But I think basically these two characters are very lonely, they are out there, they're partying, cocaine, drugs, swinging, sex, whatever.
Amazing.
But the bottom line is they're fucking lonely, man.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
And what about Tanya, the third?
Tara.
Tara.
Yeah.
That's a real.
So Tashu's character is also very shaded,
Okay.
All these three
Okay,
characters.
so she is into
all the characters.
No. She is not into the games. For that, you have to watch the film on the 8th of April.
Thursday for Showman. But okay, so she is playing the more.
Yeah.
I mean,
She's
she
playing
also
his
does.
love interest.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
and but then she also has to come across her
Yeah.
difficulties and
Right.
she has to maneuver her way out for him. So
I mean, she's playing a surgeon. I've seen in the trailers.
Promos already.
But then what she's going through in her personal life, domestic violence. So it's not just about sexual stuff or swingers. There's a lot more to the film, like self harm or being lonely. What happens in the city? And there's another girl who's going through domestic violence, and she is a very educated person. She's a doctor, and still being. I mean, she's independent. She's still taking it.
Okay.
So yeah.
But
Yes,
my favorite part about the film is, I guess, the thriller. The thriller element is sharp. It's something that will be unexpected. So I mean, you should watch it apart from all this
The
for the
sex.
thriller.
Okay, what was the question?
Okay, lots of love and wishes coming in for your movie. Other than that, Krunal wants to tell you thank you so much for all the love for Surat. Cannot wait for you guys. And there's a roll handle. It's called Sizzling Shiner. It's a request for Gaurav. Please remove your t-shirt, yeah. What is this?
I mean, I'm wearing another one inside. So if you want.
Whoa! Okay. Nice, very nice. Well, and how supportive? I'm going to get into your personal life.
Oh, really?
No?
It's so boring. I'm
Last
so
minute
bored
voice is
of my
so-
personal life.
No, nothing but Rajkumar. Come
I mean,
on.
one question.
Okay, how supportive was he, and what was his reaction to you doing
Oh,
the movie?
he's very supportive because we both are actors and
Yeah.
we don't come from this industry. So whatever we get, we grab it. We don't get into the small talk.
Right.
Hey, you're kissing me. What's the big deal? It's just a character. It's not out and out.
He's being very supportive on Twitter also. Like, you
Yeah,
can see
he
how
is,
much,
yeah.
how proud he
Hey,
is.
did you watch LSD?
Yeah, I did. I did in the theater.
She's getting back
Yes.
now.
Oh, love games of another sort. What about you? Are you seeing anyone?
She has a good question.
Okay.
but I can wait. My question can wait. Gaurav,
Yeah.
are you seeing
What about
someone?
me?
Are you seeing someone? Try to divert the.
Sorry?
You don't try to divert.
What-
Sorry, you.
what was the question?
You heard the question. Are you seeing anyone?
No, I'm not there. No one's there.
Lies,
Like,
lies.
so lonely in real life.
I'm so lonely.
Really?
Yeah, I'm not actually.
Okay, we take your
We are not buying that. We'll get into this later. But Natasha wants to ask Patralekha, what do you mean you didn't have work after City Nights? Such a great movie.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, I didn't get any work, and any work that I would want to take up. After you do a film, there are always offers, but are those that kind of film you want to do? So I didn't want to do those.
Okay, there you have it, Natasha.
Okay, so now we'll play this game,
Mhm.
which everybody knows, but it's called Hook Up, Marry and Kill, because we're kind people, we don't use the four-letter word. But okay, so
If the internet, you can say fuck.
Actually, okay, fine, fuck, marry, kill, man. Say whatever you want. So I'll start with Patralekha.
Yeah.
I'll be asking you these three actors I'll be naming. You have to
Okay.
choose who you look up with, who you marry, who you kill. I'm
Yeah.
sure you know this game.
Yeah.
The first option is Rajkumar, Gaurav, and Imran Hashmi, because I don't.
So okay, hook up, marry, kill.
Yes.
I would.
This is just the first one, there are many more to go.
I would obviously marry Rajkumar. I would hook up with Go because I'm already so comfortable with it. We have already
Yes.
been
okay.
halfway there.
The movie is gold.
And kill Imi because I haven't met him. I mean,
Six
once or
kill.
twice. So no offense, I
I
don't
don't
know
like
him.
you. I don't like you. Okay, so the three cars, Shah Rukh, Salman Khan.
So I would definitely hook up with Salman Khan, marry Shah Rukh, and kill Amir.
Wow, no love. Okay. Okay. New law. Ranveer, and Shahid Kapoor.
Ranveer, marry
Shahid and Ranveer.
Shahid, hook up, and Ranveer
You
Singh.
kill Ranveer Singh?
I mean, yeah, he's
Should we get over it?
cute.
Okay, fine. Okay, Arjun Kapoor, Varun Dhawan, and Siddharth Malhotra. Last set. Hook up, marry, kill. Last.
Okay, so hook up with Varun,
Okay.
marry Siddharth. Arjun, hook up and marry and then kill.
Okay, so Arjun and Ranveer will be dead and will be. Okay. Now Gaurav, it's your turn.
Yeah.
Patralekha. Tara.
Tara.
Yeah, Tara. Bipasha Basu. 'Cause,
Uh-huh.
like I forgot. He's not red.
So I'll marry
Patrika.
Patra. I'll
What is Rajkumar?
hook up with Basha.
Okay.
Because with Kashu and Patra, I've already done. I've been
What?
there halfway.
You kill him?
So
Acha,
I'll
no.
hook up with Kashu and then I'll kill him.
That's so sad. Okay, bye. Deepika Padukone, Priyanka Chopra, Kannada. Oh.
Deepika Priyanka, na?
And
So I'll marry Deepika.
Okay.
I'll hook up with Kangana and I'll.
Kill
No,
him.
sorry. I'll hook up with Priyanka and I'll kill Kangana.
Kill Kannada.
Yeah.
Okay,
Kill
fine.
है ना हाँ.
हाँ मार लेंगे लोग. आलिया, परिणीति, श्रद्धा.
Shraddha, I'll marry. Hook up with Alia.
Okay. Kill
Kill
परिणीति.
Pariniti.
Okay, fine. And last, Kareena, Aishwarya, or Preeti Zinta.
Kareena. Sure, I'll marry Kareena.
Yeah, Saif will be okay with
I'll
that.
hook up with both of them now.
ये इतने option नहीं है
But
because
all of them are married, na? All
Yeah.
three of them are married. So Kareena married. I'll hook up with Aishwarya and Preeti.
Very nice, very nice. Are there any more questions?
Just lots of love coming in, and everyone's really looking forward to the movie. We like your chemistry in the film well.
Yeah.
Why wouldn't you?
I wonder why.
Also, Vishwas has just posted a message saying Patrika is looking unrecognizable but very hot. So,
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
This finally, when is the movie coming out? All those details.
Okay, yeah, sure. Fine.
Film comes on 8th
8th of
of
April.
April.
Yes.
Go watch it, send us lots of love. We all have worked really hard for it, so show us some love, guys.
A lot of love and games in the film. I'm sure you'll enjoy it.
That's good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Great
thank you.
interview.
And it's a family film too.
That everybody can watch separately.
Absolutely.
Chalo. Bye,
Thank you.
everyone.
Bye,
Bye, guys.
Now immediately go quickly like and subscribe, and make sure you follow us, double tap on Instagram, and we'll be back with lots more soon.